seo scéal Airfort Runningáil.
Celebs, what jeepers we Sarah Jessica Parker, Lum Leannáin agus Daniel O'Donnell.
But if that is the winter solstice sunrise, perhaps there is a winter solstice sunset.
And now back here 50 years later to look at the island again.
Is frosta on visneach a bhrisise leannáin mar bhfuil na takeíochtaí ceart ar fád.
Buineann scéalta agus tugaitúir thionda intais mhóra an nádar, móin.
Céichead na daoine a bhíonn ag síal ar an tobail.
Ceaptar leis na gaoine go bhfuil bágan do roine eile faoi chois ach thaispeántar nach é sin mar a há i gcónaí.
Information has been given regarding the murder of John Leannáin.
The world is like a ride in an amusement park, and it's very loud, and it's fun for a while. Don't worry, ever, because this is just a ride.
Shut the hands, le rudí chur in na ceart.
How say you? Are you guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
The shaking you're feeling is an earthquake.
We know what an earthquake is. They love me. My numbers are strong. I need to work. I said I didn't want the job. Yeah, well, you need it.
Run Sean Cardinal on the north. Chipping Margie, the leg or bar.
I'm a soulinish. The fall of my capidira. A fool, Carl London.
Bala hasta leis an bóthairíist.
Bhí sin gáanta.
Harcíonn ar fad, mar sé.
Bhí sé iontaíon mar a dúirt neall agus móia.
I suppose the thing with Willy Week, you just don't know who you're going to meet.
Mátá tiún le casa bí lá Romania.
Lachlan, ní mór cuaramar le a thógáil i plánáil tugra den cinál seo.
There is an LGBT history of the revolutionary movement.
I was totally intimidated by these two policemen coming in and putting a foot in our door.
You were made to feel about this high.
Underdogs ag túir dáig ar soccer na má.
From Caidan an awards stra, tá sig dul ó náird go náird gach séidir.
Is fan go gíise bhil fiad do mhór eile.
Fáidiróh go tír an Yabbé.
Come in Lorne, Solomon Islands.
I'm eating beef skin.
Yes.
Achtaríocht saoíocht gran agus sprí. Tá sé ar fad agan an seo ar cúla ceathair.
We get a huge variety of fallout scenarios, everything from slips, trips and falls to, unfortunately, fatalities as well.
Being a member of Kerry Mountain Rescue is probably only eclipsed in Kerry by holding an All-Ireland football medal.
Not good for the heart, but yeah, what a way to win. Just absolutely over the moon.
Tom's a tour a Ryan showed not will go hand agus Tommy Exul a bula le cúpla lek ar an man.